absolutely fantastic. So, wait. Oh. Health and safety first. Well, hello boys and girls, one more time. Jesus! Glad I'm doing this again. Oh my god. So, as you realize by now, today we're gonna talk mostly about action cameras, position on the bike. What a subject. Bloody hell, I lost this one. Yeah, enough with the yabby dabby blah 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 and all this, because obviously it's been a long time since I done this one and I can't find my words properly, but never mind. The whole idea of this experiment is to show you how to mount the camera in different positions of the bike to give you different angles of the view. So go away, fly. If the focus will come back, thanks GH5. Without any more yap, just jump on it and I'm gonna show you how to do the videos that I'm doing it and what angles you get by position your GoPros in different positions of the bike. So focus there, maybe. Guys, in order to obtain different frames and different views from that bike, you need obviously different mounts, and I have a few sticked around the bike, but the most important, I have to tell you this, the most important, the most versatile one that I'm using is this. This is a small clamp made by a company called Small Rig. This is so versatile that you can't imagine. Without this one, you can't obtain some shots that I'm doing it, because what happens is, look at this one. This will allow you to position a GoPro in all sorts of angles. And because, hold on. Because it's having this, right? Look. You can attach it everywhere, from the bike to the road signs, or the, how you call it, the barriers on the road and all this. This is gold. This is the best investment that I ever done for mounting a camera. This will hold even my big camera that I'm shooting now on in my GH5 is gonna hold this one in one place. So if you want to get different angles,
white snow, red sky, reach up for so high, blue eyes, fake cry, beware of the fox tonight.
Jesus guys, by the way, this road, absolutely fantastic. Wanna see it? Hold on a second. Let me put the board in the sky and you're gonna see it from there, because what you see from the bike is one thing, but what you see from the sky is a different perspective. So hold on a second. So this is it, guys. This is how I'm putting my GoPros, and I hope you like it. I really like doing something different, not just press a button, record a video and upload it on Facebook or whatever, YouTube and all this, because I get that boring. So I like to be a bit more creative. If you like my videos, you know the drill. Jesus, it's been a long time since I said this one. Click that subscribe button and the little bell to receive the notification. You can, it's up to you if you want to do the bell thing, but subscribe, I will appreciate it. Stick around, guys. I have a few videos on the pipe. We're planning to go for a tour around Spain and Portugal. It's gonna be probably something fast, quick, or I don't know. But again, in my own style, with Oti the Hoon, if you remember it, and Nick the Horsey Man. So yeah, looking forward to that one. Probably I'm gonna put a video up with the tools that I'm carrying with me when I'm doing touring, and probably another one with luggage that I'm carrying. That is gonna be a short one because I don't carry too much stuff. So until next time, guys. Until next time, guys. Peace, and stay safe and ride your bikes, because that's the best thing you can do. Peace. Hey, forgot one thing, yeah? All the love for Danny Taylor, North Pennies, Hacks Banks. Yeah, this is the place, and if you're in the area, send Danny my love. I miss you, fella. I really miss you. Hope I'm gonna see you soon. So guys, if you ever travel to North of England, Scottish borders, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Yeah. Peace.